How to log in Tonkeeper wallet account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Tonkeeper wallet account. For this, you want to download and install the Tonkeeper wallet app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Once you have downloaded this, open the application. Now, if you do not have an account, tap on the Create Wallet option. If you already have an account and just want to log in, tap on the Import Existing Wallet option. Now from here, you want to select the option of Import Wallet. Now, to restore your wallet, you will have to enter the 24 secret recovery words given to you when creating your account. So the recovery phrase is going to look something like this. What you want to do here is write it down and then simply type it serially in this order. Now you will have to create a new passcode. After that, you will have to re-enter your passcode again. Now, if you want to get instant notification, tap on the enable notification option. Now you can also customize your wallet from here. Once all of these process is completed, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into your Tonkeeper wallet account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.